In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find deleted items on monday.com. Picture this: you're navigating through your monday.com workspace, managing tasks, projects, or maybe organizing your team's workflow, and suddenly you realize that an essential item, maybe a task or a file, has vanished. It's a moment many of us dread, but before you spiral into panic, let me guide you through the simple steps to recover those seemingly lost items. First off, let's head to the starting point, which is the monday.com homepage. For those new to monday.com or even the veterans among us, monday.com stands as an intuitive platform designed to streamline project management, team collaboration, and boost productivity across various scopes of work. If you're already logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which is your command center, displaying an array of boards and tasks at your disposal. If not, take a moment to log in. Now here's where we begin our journey towards recovery. Navigate to your profile icon. It's typically located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This tiny, often underappreciated icon is your gateway to a trove of settings and options. Give it a click, and it's like opening a treasure chest of functionality, from account settings to notifications. However, our gem today lies within the trash option. Once you click on trash, you're taking a pivotal step towards retrieving your deleted items. Consider this trash area as a safety net. monday.com, understanding the fast-paced and sometimes chaotic nature of project management, provides this trash feature as a redemption arc for those accidentally deleted items. Whether it's an item deleted in haste, a change of mind, or simply an error, the platform stores these deleted items here for a period. Inside the trash, you're met with a list of items that have been removed from your workspace. From tasks and files to entire boards that may have been deleted, they all reside here momentarily, waiting to be either restored or permanently bid adieu. It's crucial to understand that the items won't stay in trash forever. monday.com holds these deleted items for a limited period, after which they are permanently removed to maintain the workspace's cleanliness and efficiency. So, while you're in the trash, take a moment to peruse the list of deleted items. It might be a trip down the recent memory lane of your workspace activities. Once you locate the item you wish to recover, the process from here is straightforward. Each item in the trash comes with options allowing you to restore it back to its original place, or, if you're sure it's no longer needed, to delete it permanently. Restoring an item is as simple as a click and voila, it's back from the digital beyond, ready to serve its purpose once more in your workspace. This feature is a testament to monday.com, quote, user-friendly design, prioritizing not just project management efficiency but also data recovery, recognizing that mistakes happen and that sometimes a second chance is all we need. In this process, the key takeaway is the importance of timely action. Given the temporary nature of the storage and trash, it's essential to regularly check it if you have a bustling workspace with frequent deletions. This vigilance ensures that no crucial item is permanently lost due to oversight. And that, dear viewers, wraps up our guide on how to find and recover deleted items on monday.com. This simple yet invaluable feature can save the day, preventing potential disruptions in your workflow or loss of important information. Remember, in the digital workspace, where actions often feel fleeting, platforms like monday.com provide safety nets like the trash feature to catch those slips and falls. Before we conclude, a quick tip. As you continue to navigate and manage your projects on monday.com, consider establishing a regular check-in routine for the trash area. It's a small habit that could prevent significant losses, ensuring your workspace remains both efficient and comprehensive. Thank you for watching. If this guide has been helpful, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more tips and tutorials designed to enhance your monday.com experience. Stay organized, stay efficient, and most importantly, stay calm, knowing your deleted items aren't gone for good. They're just waiting in the trash, ready for their second chance.